Morning. This is Nita and Miss Panda. She's over there. She's got a squirrel treat. At least she thinks she does. With a timepiece garden. It's some crazy rainstorm last night. Just the insanity of it. Look, I got a tree down on the... I got a branch down on the top of the coop. I'm going to have to come over and get off of there. But otherwise, everything else overall looks okay. Yeah, so far the only thing that... I'll be back, chickens. I'll be back, chickens. So far the only piece of anything that truly calmed down is the top of the pine. You know, the one that had the crazy lean that I've been waiting on for years to come down. It's down. It's laying across the top of a bucket. Huh. Isn't that awesome? Alright. Yeah, so far everything else is up and standing. You know? But the wind is gone, the dust is settled. We got a lot of rain last night. Just the insanity of it. Alright, let me go check on the chickens. Let everybody out have some breakfast. See how Porthos is doing. How you doing, Porthos? How you doing? Cuckoo, cuckoo, how you doing, Porthos? Goodness. You're making all kinds of noise. I know you want me to let you out, too. So I might try again, letting him out. It looks like he's putting weight on it. He's not just tentatively standing on it. At least that's what it looks like. Are you sure, Porthos? So anyway, we'll see. I'm gonna let him out today, and you know, maybe a couple of days of not being able to be on it has done him some good, and he'll be able to hang out with the girls today. Talk to you later. I see he's still a little tentative on it. But he's cooing at his girls, so that's a good thing. And we'll just see. Cuckoo-coos.